Hello everyone, thank you for joining in. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to start a Zoom meeting. This is not a video on how to schedule a Zoom meeting. This is just simply how do I just quickly start a meeting and meet with a group of individuals or chat with them. Because I have some teachers that are asking me, I just want to start the meeting. I'm watching all these other videos. They're like 30 minutes, 15 minutes. I don't have time. I just really just want to know how do I just quickly get on and start a meeting and be able to either have a professional development or personal meeting with my teacher, my co-teacher, or talk with my friends, or have a quick meeting with my clients for my business. So this is for entrepreneurs, this is for teachers, this is for anyone. So let's get started because I don't want this video to end up being 15 or 20 minutes either. The very first thing, you're going to go into your Zoom account. And once you get into your Zoom account, you click on my account and you can see at the top it says join a meeting or host a meeting. That same information is right here at the top. Join a meeting or host a meeting. You can host a meeting with your video off. You can host a meeting with your video on, or you can just screen share only. I'm going to host and start a video with that off. Okay, with my video off. Now, it will say join with your computer audio or test the speaker and microphone. If I were you, I would test the speaker and microphone, and then I would join. They also give you a choice to automatically join audio by computer when joining a meeting. It's up to you how you want to start your meeting, but you just simply click on join with computer audio and voila, you are in the meeting. This is the meeting. At the bottom, it will show you who's participating, who's chatting with you. If you want to share the screen to show something that you're working on with the whiteboard, with your desktop, with your iPhone, or your iPhone or iPad via a cable or a Google Chrome launch meeting, you can choose which one. They also have these advanced selections as well that you can browse through when you want to share files, when you want to actually go into like a setting and show content or play music or show a portion of your screen. Click on your desktop because most people share their desktop or a PowerPoint, and then you will click share. Click on the desktop, click share, and then it will also give you an option to stop sharing once you want to stop sharing. So pretty much what you will do, it gives you a link, okay, that you will share with others to come on, and you can invite others. If you want to show your face, you will click here on start a video. To mute, you will click here. To unmute, you will click here. This is it. Okay, you can also record a screen. So there's a lot you can do on Zoom. You can even put people in the waiting room when they come on, and that's also another feature that they have on here. So if a lot of people are coming on and you want them to stay on because you don't want them to go away and come back, then you could put them in what is called a waiting room. Okay, if you would like to record your Zoom meeting, you will just hit record. Okay, so let's end the meeting. You can click here to end the meeting, or you can click here to end the meeting. All right, I'm hoping that this tutorial was really quick and fast. I have some people who are like, I just need to know how to get on. I don't want to know all the advanced settings first, and then finally you show me how to get on. They just wanted to quickly learn how to start a Zoom meeting. How to start a Zoom meeting. And I can be honest, I was a little frustrated as well. I was trying to learn how to start a Zoom meeting, and I just kept coming across these videos that were 40 minutes long, 12 minutes long. I just want to know how to start the meeting. I can go back and learn how to schedule. I can go back and learn all the other features that Zoom has. I just want to be able to get on, know how to share my screen, and know how to talk to the people I need to talk to very quickly. And just like Google Meet. I show you in another video how to start a Google Meet meeting. So this is simply how do you start a Zoom meeting. I hope this was helpful. And until next time, please like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe on our Deal Purple Geniuses Learning website, dealpurplegeniuses.com. And please remember, there's no notification bells as of 2020 in January. So please come on. If you are a children's channel, please remember to come on and check in and share with everyone else to come and like and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.